In this video, we'll look at how to use tags in AppNeta to automate monitoring, filter alarms, and locate relevant performance monitoring data. Tags are name-value pairs that provide context about the monitoring environment. These tags help admins define policies to automate monitoring from relevant sources. And they help users locate, filter, and organize views according to meaningful categories inherited by performance data and alarms. Some tags are automatically created and assigned. These system-defined tags include categories such as the monitoring point type, policy name, alarm rule name, or alarm severity level. Location tags are also automatically assigned, with categories such as city, state, country, or region. These are based on the geographic location assigned to monitoring points or policy targets. Users can also create their own custom tags to provide business context that makes sense for their organization. Custom tags can be assigned to various inventory items in AppNeta. When assigned to a monitoring point, custom tags provide context about where the monitoring point is deployed, such as information about the location, host environment, or users. A tag assigned to a policy target provides additional context about the target application or network endpoint being monitored. And tags assigned to network rules within a policy provide context about the source egress network. Network and web paths inherit these custom tags from their source monitoring point, monitoring policy target, and network rule. But users can also assign custom tags to individual paths if needed to provide path-specific context. When adding custom tags, a simple and intentional approach works best. In general, create a monitoring plan in advance by dividing sources into a few broad groups of locations that will monitor a target. Then we can consider the simplest criteria to define each group of sources. Take a moment to explore the available system tags to determine whether custom tags are needed to include the appropriate monitoring points. For example, an organization might use a system-defined location tag to select a cohort of monitoring points to monitor a target. Another organization might need to assign a custom tag to define their own regional context for monitoring points. In another example, we may want to filter for a specific monitored application or target. We may not need a custom tag in this scenario because a system-defined tag, such as the monitoring policy name, lets us identify the monitored target. Plan for a small number of clear, simple tags to avoid redundancy and ensure the categories and values are meaningful to end users. Even though the system supports 64 custom tag categories per org and each item supports up to 32 custom tags, a simpler approach will be easier to maintain and use. Let's take a look at some common use cases and where to assign tags to achieve the desired outcome. Admins can easily automate the monitoring of relevant applications and networks using tags assigned to monitoring points. For illustration, we'll use our previous example of an organization defining geographic regions differently from the United Nations standard regions available in AppNeta by default. First, we will need to assign the appropriate tags to our monitoring points. Then we can use those tags in a policy to select the appropriate monitoring points. On the monitoring points page, we can add tags to individual monitoring points one at a time by clicking the button in the tags column. Or we can select specific monitoring points. Then expand the Actions menu and select Assign Tags to add tags in bulk. For this example, we'll type a new category, then press Enter or type a colon. Next, we enter the value and press Enter. The new custom tag is assigned to the selected monitoring points. And we can repeat this process for our other monitoring points. Now, in a monitoring policy, we can add a monitoring point rule to include any monitoring points with the custom tag. Any monitoring point assigned the custom tag will automatically begin monitoring this target. And since paths inherit their source monitoring point tags, We can also use the tag to filter alarms and other performance metrics. Another use case is to automate monitoring over specific egress networks, then tag the relevant paths with a friendly name for the network. For illustration, let's consider an organization that needs to monitor the connection from remote offices to a data center over multiple egress networks. We previously assigned a custom tag to each monitoring point to indicate if it is deployed in an office. Each office monitoring point was installed and configured to connect to each egress network over consistent VLANs. In a monitoring policy, we've added network rules so that each office monitoring point monitors the data center target from the various egress networks. By default, the paths over each network are automatically tagged based on the network rule. But we can also add a custom tag to provide a clear label for each network. Network rule tags are included in the path name. This will help users understand the network context of the resulting paths. With the custom tag assigned, we can turn off the option to automatically generate network rule tags from the policy's advanced settings. Within a monitoring policy, we can also assign tags to provide context about the monitored target. For illustration, we'll continue with our data center example. At this organization, a particular team is responsible for network performance in and out of the data center. They could filter views to include every relevant monitoring policy, or we could add a tag to the relevant monitoring policies with their team name. In the relevant monitoring policies, we simply enter a tag category and value in the target details area. Now, the team can filter views in AppNeta using the custom tag. And relevant alarms could be sent to their team by configuring an alarm connector to only send alarms with the relevant custom tag. While individual paths inherit their source monitoring point and policy tags, in some cases it may be helpful to assign tags to specific individual paths to provide an additional level of categorization. For example, if the team responsible for performance in and out of the data center needs to include additional paths in their views, we could add their team tag to the individual paths. Or, prior to a maintenance activity, we could temporarily assign a custom tag to all paths impacted by the maintenance. That way, we could temporarily create a saved view to keep an eye on alarms before, during, and after maintenance to make sure performance wasn't negatively impacted by the maintenance activities. On the Network Paths or Web Paths page, select the appropriate paths. Then from the Action menu, select Assign Tags. Enter the tag category and value to assign the tag. Now, we can filter the page to see only paths with the custom tag. And if we click the button in the tag column for a path, we can see the inherited monitoring point and policy tags, and any tags assigned directly to the path. When we're ready to remove the tag, we can select the paths. Go to the Action menu and select Remove Tags. In the tag editor, we locate the tag and click Remove. The tag is removed from the selected paths. A custom tag is deleted from AppNeta when it is no longer assigned to any items. This concludes our overview of how to use tags in AppNeta. Thanks for watching.